Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that affects many couples worldwide: infertility treatments. So, if you or someone you know is struggling with infertility, this video will provide an overview of the available treatments and what they involve. So, let's get started. But before proceeding further, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can always keep following our videos on health and well-being. So here, let's start today's video. Infertility can be a challenging journey, but there are several treatment options available to help couples conceive. The right treatment depends on the cause of infertility, the age of the partners, and their personal preferences. So here are some of the most common infertility treatments. First is medications, and that are ovulation induction and hormone treatments. In ovulation induction, medications are often prescribed to stimulate ovulation, and these medications can help women who have irregular or absent ovulation. And sometimes hormone imbalances can cause infertility, and hormone treatments can help regulate these imbalances, improving the chances of conception. Next is intrauterine insemination. IUI involves placing sperm directly into the uterus around the time of ovulation. This method increases the number of sperm that reach the fallopian tubes, which can improve the chances of fertilization. And number 3, IVF. IVF is one of the most well-known fertility treatments. It involves stimulating the ovaries to produce multiple eggs, retrieving the eggs, fertilizing them with sperm in a lab, and then transferring the resulting embryos into the uterus. IVF can be effective for various infertility issues including blocked fallopian tubes, male factor infertility, and unexplained infertility. Number 4, ICSI sperm injection. This is often used in conjunction with IVF. It involves injecting a single sperm directly into an egg to facilitate fertilization, and this is particularly helpful for severe male infertility issues. And number 5, donor eggs or sperm. For couples where one partner has a significant fertility issue, using donor eggs or sperm can be a viable option. The donor eggs or sperm are used in treatments like IUI or IVF to help achieve pregnancy. Number 6, surrogacy. In cases where a woman cannot carry a pregnancy to term, surrogacy may be an option. This involves another woman, the surrogate, carrying the pregnancy for the intended parents. Number 7, lifestyle changes and complementary therapies. Sometimes making lifestyle changes like improving diet, reducing stress, and avoiding harmful substances can enhance fertility. Complementary therapies such as acupuncture and yoga may also support fertility treatments. Infertility can be a tough and emotional journey, but there are many treatments available that can help. If you are experiencing infertility, it's important to consult with a fertility specialist to determine the best course of action for your specific situation. So that's it for today. We hope this video has provided some helpful information about the various infertility treatments. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content, and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.